Okay, you guys, so this is my wrap burger. Sorry about the mustard and stuff. I think I did pretty good, you guys, I guarantee. But if you guys want to see how I make this, just keep watching this video. See, that's the inside. Yeah, sorry about that. But anywho, and this is what I'm drinking on. Mm-hmm. That's the Fanta. And for the extra, you guys, I got me some pepper, pickles, and extra tomato. If I want it. I just got in the sandwich bag, so I don't have to be worried about washing no dishes. But anyway, I want you guys get that first bite. I don't mind. Look kind of messy, but that's okay. You know, that is just fine. I guarantee. But yep, you guys got it. Now I'm gonna take my bite. Oh my goodness, you guys. This is sorry about it when I first took it, but this look better now. Since I took a great bite. Oh my goodness. You guys, I think I did a great job. My lettuce burger. I just got to fall down a little bit. Oh my God. And this is low carb because when you eat bread. But oh my goodness. I'm gonna make this for me tomorrow for dinner because you saw I got two more patties. You know what I'm saying? So that's definitely gonna be my dinner for tomorrow as well. Yes, yes, yes. I think that's the lettuce. But anyway, like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Share with your friends and family to show them what's cooking on my cooking channel. And if this is your first time watching my cooking channel, share with your friends and family as well. Like, comment below. If you guys have any question, thumb this video up. Share again with your friends and family. And if you want to see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel, just make sure you guys keep your notification bell on, and you will see the next upload video that I post on my cooking channel. And by that being said, you guys have a blessed day and be safe. Until then, I will see you guys in the next upload video. And this is my wrap burrito. Golly, my goodness. I said that in earlier. Y'all watch what I say. But yeah, this is my wrap burger. My version. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my God. This is so good. I guarantee. Yes, yes, yes. All right, and then you guys want to see how I make this? Just keep watching this video, okay? Alrighty. Bye-bye. Just keep watching this video. This is my wrap burger with lettuce. Lettuce wrap burger. Oh, look at that thick that meat is, you guys. That's a good kind of meat. The steakhouse. And you will see when you keep watching this video. Okay? Bye-bye. But just keep watching. Until next time, I'll see you guys in the next upload video. You guys, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today when I'm cooking, I'm cooking me a burger, and I should have took it. This is the kind of ground beef I'm using. I kind of tore. It's the steakhouse season ground beef. See that? Hold on, let me see if I can fit. Okay, can you guys see that? But yeah, it's called a steakhouse season ground beef. Sorry about that. Okay. Yeah, so that is this kind of beef, okay? To make my burgers. Cause what I'm making a lettuce wrap burger. Instead of I'm not using a bun. My bun is gonna be my lettuce, okay? Of course, you can use any kind of lettuce that you desire, but that's what kind of lettuce I'm using, okay? Yeah, and this is the season that I'm using for my burger when I mix it up. I really like that. Salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. And this right here, you guys, I'm just gonna, this is got all kind of seasons called, you could buy this, it's called a gourmet burger season. Let me see if I could show you guys the ingredient in it. I don't know if I can say it, but yeah. But anyway, you can, if you don't want to use these kind of season, these have got a lot of season in it. And my topping for my wrap burrito is mayonnaise, mustard, onion, pickle, and tomato. And I'm gonna slice my pickle up. I just got the whole pickle. So yeah, this is what I'm having for dinner, you guys. My wrap burrito. Burrito. Boy, I eat so much burrito. But yeah, this is my dinner wrap burger. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my seasoning in it, because I'm gonna do this in my air fryer, my burger. Okay. Alrighty, see you soon. So if you want to see what I season my burger, just pause this. Just pause it and you will see the season when I season my wrap burger, okay? Okay, I season my first with the black peppercorn pepper. Okay, you guys, so this is the onion powder, garlic powder, and that's the season for the garlic and herb. And I have to scrape some of that. I poured too much of that. Okay, that's why you see it like that, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to do my patty. Got my season all seasoned. Okay, you guys, so that's how my patty look. Pickle and my lettuce. So I'll see you guys in the next clip when I make my wrap burger. Okay? I changed my mind. I like this one. Okay, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, you guys, so my burger's ready. And usually I put, I saute my onion as well. But usually, this is kind of cheese I use, but usually I don't have American cheese, so cheese is cheese, so whatever. Okay, just mix and melt my cheese on my burger. And you guys, when you do this wrap burger, especially at what's that thing? Five Guys, they use 2 patty, but I'm not gonna use 2 patty. That'd be too much for me, so I'm just gonna use 1 patty. Okay? Yeah, so yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Just use 1 patty. But this is how it look. Okay? Now let's go ahead and wrap it up. Well, after my cheese melt. Boy, that cheese is long. Anyway, that's okay. That's just fine. And you guys, they do wrap it in foil, but not this kind of foil. Some other foils they use if you ever get wrap burger at the Five Guys burger place. But they do, so I already put my mayonnaise on it. Okay. Okay, so I put my patty on top of it. Just remember, the bun is the lettuce. Okay. Okay, I put my sauteed lettuce. Oh my goodness. I mean my sauteed onion. Oh my goodness. Look pretty good, you guys. Like again, I didn't have American cheese, but it's probably still gonna taste even better. The pepper jack cheese. Okay, I put my tomatoes. And I like to put salt and pepper on my tomato. Do that when I get the good picture. Okay. Oops, sorry about that, you guys. I'm not going to edit that out. That's my pickle. And that's how I did my top of my lettuce. I just cut this part out of it. That's why it's looking like that. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put mustard on top of this other lettuce. Okay. Okay, so I put my mustard. Okay. See how that look? And then what I do, I just flap it over like that. Okay. Okay, you guys, that's my wrap burger. That's how it looks. And you know what? That mayonnaise kind of melted. Sorry about the mayonnaise on top. Mustard on top, but that's how it look. So now I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Okay, just show you that's how my burger wrap look. Okay,